everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys the Walgreens ad preview for this coming week, which is January 5th through, I can't remember the other date, but I know it starts January 5th. Or through Saturday, January 11th, sorry you guys. So on the front page, they have it where you get over $650 of coupons. It's basically the stuff that's in the app. They just want people to get the app. Is basically what it is. But they have deals of the week. Pistachios, $6.99. All is $2.99. We're getting $1 off coupons, making them $1.99. Then they got Scott's paper towels or toilet paper for $3.75. They're $5, and then there's a $1.25 off coupon, and usually you can get a 50-cent off coupon from Scotts.com if you guys go ahead and use that. So it comes out to be like $3.25, and you guys get points on Fetch Rewards. Then they have Garnier Fructis, $2.99. It looks like there's a $1 off coupon online. Soda Pop is going to be 3 for $9.99. Makes it $3.33. It's an okay deal. I usually think, I always try to go $2.50 or under $3 is my way to go, but everybody is different. They have Oreos for $1.99. I don't think there's any coupons out there. But $1.99 is a pretty good deal. Now Colgate Toothpaste, it says toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash are $3.99. Now I would not do this for the toothpaste, but for the mouthwash and the toothbrushes, this is an okay deal. But I do know we are getting $1 off coupons for the toothpaste. So you guys would buy 2 of them, you would pay $5.98. You get a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 or just 99 cents. I would not do that deal, but if we do get coupons for the other things, then it's an okay deal. Dove body wash is $5.99. I didn't see any body care coupons coming out, just the shampoo, but stuff might surprise us. But it looks like you get 3,000 points when you buy 3 of them. So if you guys wanted to do that, Downy is $2.99. There's going to be a $1 off digital coupon, making it for $1.99. Okay deal with that. And then just come other things that are here and there. Food deals, nothing really popping out. That's like a great deal. They got pizzas for $3.99. Their brand pizzas are actually pretty decent. Some other kind of Halloween or Valentine's Day candy would be, you know, coming up. But there's also a lot of Christmas candy. I want to say Halloween all of a sudden. So, yeah. Now we're looking at some of the cleaning supplies. Clorox is 2 for $5, and then you guys will get a $1 off 2 coupon, making them $2 a piece. Purex is buy one get one free. Nice Bowls are buy one get one free. So if you guys need to go do that, nothing. This week is an okay week. I think January is just slowing down because a lot of people aren't really shopping as much, so there's not as much of the great deals. But medicines, nothing's just popping out. I mean, they do have Advil for $5.99. There's going to be a $3 off coupon, making it $2.99. If you guys buy 2 products, you get a $3 register reward. Usually, sometimes there's deals in Savings Star, so there could be some freebies with Savings Star. Here you get a $10 Visa reward card if you guys spend $30 or more, especially like on Tylenol or Zyrtec. So that could be an okay deal. Halls is 2 for $5. We are getting a $1 off, or there's a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Plus I just saw, I think it was in Checkout 51, there's a $1 off a 2 deal that you guys could do also. Sorry, it's like 11 o'clock at night. I'm finally getting a chance to do this video. But yeah, some eye stuff, feminine care products. Now we're going to the personal care products. They do have Mitchum, $2.99 with $1 off coupons. And then it says that you guys will get 5,000 points when you spend $15. That's a deal where you guys do not pay with points to get those 5,000 points. They always have been having this deal. The Secret deodorant and Old Spice is buy one get one 50% off. You get 4,000 points if you guys buy 4. Right Guard, 2 for $7. There's going to be a $4 off 2 coupon, so it makes it $3 or $1.50 a piece. Okay deal. Crest toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, or floss is $3.99. Use those $1 off coupons. You guys would get them for $2.99. You would just buy 2 of them. They come out to be just 99 cents a piece. I would not do that for toothpaste, but definitely go ahead and do it for the other stuff. But there's other deals better that's this week than that week. Simple or Pond's St. Ives is 25% off. We're getting 3 off at 2 coupons. Sorry, you guys. And then if you buy 2 of them, you get 2,000 points. Body wash, nothing like, it's like not a hot item. They do have Olay 2 for $3, or Garnier for, I can't even speak. L'Oreal Olive 2 for $8. There's 2 off a 2 coupon, plus there's a 2 off a 3 coupon, or 3 off a 2 coupon from the Walgreens booklet, making them $1.50 a piece. But they have some whole blends making them $1.50, and then they have Almay and Revlon. So not a great deal, but you know what, there's some good decent stuff to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.